What's going on, guys? It's Yellow Lid here, and today I am going to be remaking my most popular video on this channel, which is a ballistic knife out of a pen with currently 7.8k views. The only problem with that video is that my voice was squeaky as hell. It had terrible instructions, terrible resolution, terrible quality, terrible everything. So I'm going to remake it with better quality, better instructions hopefully, and just clearer video. So what you need is a spring pen, one where you can force the lead out of the pen. It doesn't work with all spring pens, but it should work with most. So what you want to do is unscrew the tip of the pen, like so, and then remove the components and set it to the side. So you have your spring, you have your lead, and also you have what is known as a frost device according to Google, and also the barrel according to Google. So what you want to do, pick up your frost device and pick up your spring, and what you want to do, attach the spring to the end of the frost device, like so, and then place it into your barrel, making sure the frost device and spring doesn't separate when you put it in. If it separates, redo the step. So after that, you want to put your lead inside of the barrel as well, making sure it sits on top of the frost device, and then you want to put the tip, force it down to the lip of the pen, the barrel, and you want to screw it in a tiny bit. Don't screw it in all the way, because if you do, then when you press this, the pen won't shoot out, and it won't be a ballistic knife, it'll be a normal pen. And yeah, so if you don't screw it in all the way, yeah, that happens. But if you don't screw it in enough, it will shoot by itself automatically, which is not good, because stuff can happen. Yes. So yeah, it's a pretty simple model. This is it. And to activate it, you just press this. So I'll just demonstrate it on my hand. Don't recommend you do this. But there it is. And a bunch of the components fell onto the floor, and this model, you can lose the components really easily for this model. So use it with a spare pen, one that you don't need, so you don't lose like a good pen or something. So yeah, it's pretty easy to assemble, and it's really fun to use. Don't shoot at anyone or your friends, especially in the face, even though it doesn't hurt that much. It doesn't hurt any more than a pinch, but still don't do it, because stuff can happen, and I don't want to be held responsible for the stuff that happens. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was clearer instructions, I hope. And yeah, I should be uploading this Sunday, hopefully. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, please hit the like buttons, and yeah, see ya, goodbye.